Assalamualaikum to Dr. Azliza, my examiner Professor Zaida binti Ibrahim and Madam Siti Nur Kamalia. My name is Nurafiqah Mohtar and this is my demonstration video. So the cat breed classification system is called Purrbred and it can be accessed through this link. So this web application consists of 3 pages. Firstly is the home page, which I briefly talk about the cat's personality and behavior, and the cat inherited health issue, and also the breeds that the system can be used to classify. And then I have the about page, which I briefly talk about the purpose of this system. Lastly, we have the classify page where user can upload their cat's image. So as you can see, user can click this choose file button. So for this case, I will try using an image from the dataset. So I will try using this Bengal image. Click open and then click classify. So the result shows that this is a Bengal cat with 94% accuracy. Next, I will try to classify an image that I have downloaded from the internet. So I will click this spring cat, click open and then click classify. As you can see, the system can classify the cat as pink with 89% accuracy. Next, I will use another image that I have downloaded from the internet. So this is a Bombay cat that I will be using. Click open and then click classify. So the system can accurately classify this cat as Bombay with 100% accuracy. Lastly, I will try to use an image of a cat which is not one of the 5 breeds that the system can classify. So the cat is a ragdoll cat. Click open and then click classify. So the system classified this cat as Siamese, which is not true. It may be due to the similarity of the color code between Siamese and ragdoll, which are white and brown color. So that is all from me. Thank you and have a nice day.